Yeah, hello, what's up? This is Joby Adola, and today's video I wanted to share with you guys how to make your first $1,000, which can be maybe 500,000 with affiliate marketing. Okay, I've seen a lot of people made these mistakes of starting affiliate marketing and they are getting lost. Most of them are actually not making profits. After maybe they bought a course on affiliate marketing and they won't get any result, and because of that they decided to actually you know give up. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing in just three steps. Okay, affiliate marketing, three steps, you just know, three steps. So the first thing you need is the product. You need a product. Okay, and I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2010, and to be sincere, it's always actually good if you're actually selling something of high ticket. Okay, I feel that most people that actually give up easily with affiliate marketing are actually people that are actually selling something that won't make them much profit. Okay, so I'll advise that if you are, you know first pick a product. Pick a product and pick high ticket product. You can actually meet it with, maybe a low ticket, something of maybe 250K above. You understand? 250K above. You need to actually pick something of even maybe 100K above. The profit is supposed to be high depending on what you're actually doing. And as well, you can actually promote some low ticket products, maybe like 50,000 years time. But I always advise you guys to go with high ticket products. There are a lot of people actually looking for high ticket product to buy, and I feel that if you can actually, if you're a beginner, you can actually start with high tickets. Pick a product that actually has a high commission. I don't believe high commission to be 25,000. There are high commission that can actually be 125,000, 200,000. A lot of products as well. You understand my point? Um, so the first thing is the product. Okay. The second thing is you need to find the problem. Yes. Who is it for? You need to find who is the product you're actually selling for. Okay. That's the second question you need to ask yourself. Okay, the problem of a lot of people are buying something so that they can actually solve a problem, right? So you need to actually understand the problem the product is actually solving. Okay, you need to do your market research. You need to find a lot of people, maybe organic posts, on Facebook, on WhatsApp, a lot of places. Okay, you need to find the problem of this product. I mean, the solution. You need to find people that have this problem. Who is it for? You need to actually know so that you can easily identify them. Because if you don't know who you're actually selling to, be very hard for you to actually market to them. You understand my point? So you need to actually know who is this for. And then the last one is to reach out to a lot of people. Okay, to a lot of people. So whether using Facebook, whether using ads or free method, you need to reach out to a lot of people, and this might be consuming, at first, but is the best way, is the best approach of making your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Okay, after you have picking a product maybe of 250,000, and you have identified who the product is for, then you need to reach out to a lot. You need to actually start sharing this stuff to people, because if you don't do that, it will just be you get tired easily. So I feel these three methods are actually the fastest way of actually earning a lot from affiliate market. You can actually make your $1,000 from this. $1,000 is just 500,000 naira in Nigeria currency. Well, I believe you actually do these three processes. You can actually tr- sell more of it. Okay, so thank you very much. If you are just joining this video, please, this is my second video on YouTube. Actually, comments or subscribe. You understand? Thank you very much.